Hello everybody, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us again today on another one of our soapy time adventures. Except for today, we are not making soap. We are going to be working on, well, we're kind of making soap. We're going to be working on a wholesale order for some foaming whipped soap and foaming whipped sugar scrub. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. There won't be a whole lot of talking during this because there's a lot of mixing. So just enjoy the music and we're just going to go ahead and get started. I have already cleaned and sanitized my bowl, but I have not cleaned and sanitized my work surface yet. I forgot to do that, so I need to do that really fast. But I use 99%, I think this is 99% isopropyl alcohol. I have got my bowl sprayed down, and I'm going to measure out my soap base. I use Stevens Crystal Clear OPC. I buy this in lots of like 250 pounds or something. So the best place I found it is Bulk Apothecary with the amount that I purchased. You can also find it at bulknaturals.com. Flaming Candle, I think, carries it. And they're all about the same in price when you're looking at smaller amounts. 53.84. I have looked at doing this from scratch. I've actually made this from scratch. Let me fix this, adjust my camera just a little bit. I have looked at making this from scratch, and it ends up costing me almost double to make, well, no, actually about the same amount to make it from scratch as it is to buy it. So I choose to buy it. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and get started and get this mixing. So enjoy. So I'm getting this whipped up right now. I've already scraped it down once. I'm going to put it back in to be whipped up some more. And then to this I have my oil, my preservative, and then I'll add my fragrance. So this is done, and it does look like it's kind of runny, but that's okay. That is with the what happens when you mix the fragrance oil and the regular oil into it. Now you don't have to add additional oils to this. I choose to because I like it to be extra moisturizing, and it still offers a great big bubble. But this is runnier because of the fact that I added those extra oils, and they will solidify. It will get more solid as it sits. So there's no need to worry about that.